Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 8 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 8 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter monomials and polynomials. And the lessons we're going to cover today are identify monomials, made model polynomials with algebra tiles, add and subtract polynomials using algebra tiles, add and subtract polynomials, and add polynomials to find parameter. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Let's just start with the lesson. So here I am on grade 8 math. Chapter name is monomials and polynomials. The lesson we're going to start with is identify monomials. Okay, the first example is 4p square plus 5pq a monomial? So what is the monomial? A monomial is a number, a variable, or a product of number and variable, right? Monomial cannot include addition or subtraction. So this is not the monomial, this is the polynomial, right? 4 plus p square plus 5pq is not a monomial, right? The next example is 5m cube a monomial? So you can see here that is a product of a number and a variable. So yes, that is a monomial, right? The correct option is does not include addition or subtraction. Got it? So here you don't have any addition or subtraction. So yes, that is a monomial. Let's just start with the test questions. It can be a variable, a number, product of variable and a number, but it doesn't include addition or subtraction, right? So the first example is 3dg square plus 2h square j a monomial? So which is the correct option? Yes or no? It includes a positive sign, right? That means it does not a monomial. The correct option is no. It does not a monomial. It isn't a monomial. Okay, is 4 a monomial, which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, it is a polynomial, right? Sorry, monomial. It is a monomial, just a number, it is a monomial. Is 5t cube minus 2tu minus 3t minus 4vw minus 5u v square a monomial, which is the correct option? The correct option is no, this is not the monomial. The correct option is no. Got it? Because the monomial doesn't include addition and subtraction signs, right? So this is not the monomial. The next one is 5m a monomial? So which is the correct option? Yes, it is a monomial, right? You have a variable and a number, so yes, it is a monomial. Is 3 plus 2gh a monomial? The correct option is no, this is not the monomial. Monomial doesn't include addition or subtraction signs, right? So the correct option is no. Is 3b cube a monomial, which is the correct option, yes or no? The correct option is yes, it is a monomial. Is 2h minus 1 minus 2g plus 2j cube plus 2hj a monomial? No, this isn't the monomial. Is 4p a monomial? Yes, it is. The correct option is yes, it is a monomial. Is 2dg square a monomial? Yes or no? The correct option is yes, it is a monomial. Is R a monomial, which is the correct option? Yes, it is a monomial, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next one. The next one is model polynomials with algebra tiles. Okay, so let's just see what express this set of algebra tiles represent, right? Okay, so you have one tile for x square and one, two, three tiles for x, that is 3x, and one, two, three, right? So you can write this set of algebra tiles as x square. Green tiles represent the positive numbers plus 3x and plus 3. So that is x square plus 3x and plus 3. Got it? Okay, let's see how do we write expression for this set of algebra tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tiles for x square. You can write it as 6x square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tiles for x, so that is 5x. And only 2 tiles for 1, so that is 6x square plus 5x plus 2. Got it? That's how we write the expression when we are given with the set of algebra tiles. Let's just start with the test questions. What expression does the set of algebra tile represents? So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 3x square plus 9x plus 9. The correct option is option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next one is what expression does the set of algebra tile represents? So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 5x square plus 3x plus 7 is the correct option. What expression does the set of algebra tile represents? So which is the correct option? The correct option is x square plus 3x plus 3. Got it? The correct option is option number 1, that is x square plus 3x plus 3. The next one is what expression does this set of algebra tile represents? So which is the correct option? That is 6x square plus 5x plus 2, right? The correct option is 6x square plus 5x plus 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. What expression does this set of algebra tile represent? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is x square plus 6x plus 7. Yes, that option number 2 is the correct option. That is x square plus 6x plus 7. What expression does the set of algebra tile represent? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 5x square plus 4x plus 8. The correct option is option number 2. What expression does this set of algebra tile represent? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 10x square plus 5x plus 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. What expression does this set of algebra tile represent? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 5x square plus x plus 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. What expression does this set of algebra tile represent? So, which is the correct option? correct option is 9x square plus 10x plus 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. What expression does this set of algebra tile represent? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 6x square plus 4x plus 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. 6x square plus 6x plus 7 is the correct option. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Just move on to next lesson, and the next lesson is add and subtract polynomials using algebra tiles. Let's just start with the test questions. Use the algebra tiles to find 8x square plus 7x plus 6 minus 3x square plus 4x. So you have to subtract these two polynomials, right? So the first one is 8x square plus 7x plus 6, and the second one is 3x square plus 4x. So you have to tell out the matching tiles. You have 8x square and 3x square. So these three tiles can cancel out three tiles from here. So you're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 square. Then you have 7x here and 4x here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 tiles from here, cancel out 4 tiles from here. So you are left with 1, 2, 3 tiles for x. So that is 5x plus 3x. You don't have any constant here, so you have to write 6 that is as it is. So that is 5x square plus 3x plus 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 5x square plus 3x plus 6. Got it? Basically, when you have to subtract, you need to cancel out the matching tiles. When you need to, you have to count them together. Matching tiles, right? The next one is use algebra tiles to find 4x square plus 6x plus 8 minus x square plus 7. So which is the correct option? You have 4x square, so you can cancel out the matching tiles because you're left with 3x square. Then here you don't have any expression with x, so write 6x as it is. 8 and 7, so 7 tiles can cancel out the 7 tiles and you're left with just 1. So that is 3x square plus 1. So the correct option is 3x square plus 6x plus 1. Option number 2 is the correct option. Use algebra tiles to find 6x square plus 5x plus 1, and you have to add now, right? You have to count the matching tiles. Got it? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 6x square plus 15x plus 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. Use algebra tiles to find 7x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2x square plus 2x. So which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, that is option number 1. 5x square plus 1 is the correct option. Very good. The next one is use algebra tiles to find 8x square plus 2x plus x square plus 5x plus 10. So which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, that is 9x square plus 7x plus 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Use algebra tiles to find 8x plus 9 minus x plus 1. So which is the correct option? The correct option is, that is 7x plus 8. Option number 2 is the question, right? Use algebra tiles to find x square plus 10x plus 8 plus 6x plus 8. So which is the correct option? The correct option is x square plus 16x plus 16. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is add and subtract polynomials. So we have done with adding and subtracting using algebra tiles. Now we're going to simply add and subtract polynomials, right? The first one is 3a plus 7 plus 4a plus 6. The two polynomials, you have to add them. So when we are adding the polynomials, we add the like terms. Like terms means the terms that have exactly the same variables, you can collect them. Like here you have 3a and 4a terms because they have the same variable a, right? So you need to add them. 4 plus 7a and 7 plus 6 is 13. So that is 7a plus 13, right? Option number A is the correct option. That is 17. Got it? The next one is add 8f square plus 5f plus 6 and plus 8f square plus f plus 1. So you have to collect the like terms. Here you have 8f square and 8f square, that makes 16f square. Then you have 5f plus 1f. 5 plus 1 makes 6 and 6 plus 1 makes 7. So option number 1 is the correct option. That is 16f square plus 6x and plus 7, right? The next one is add 7, take away 4s plus 4. So when you are subtracting the polynomials, the subtraction sign changes the sign of the uh, polynomials that are after negative sign. Like here you have 7s plus 7. So this negative sign change the sign of both the uh, that is negative 4x negative 4, right? So you have to 7s minus 4s is 3s and 7 minus 4 is 3. So the correct is 3s plus 3. That is option number 1. Got it? The next one is a plus 6 minus a plus 1. Again, you have a negative sign. So keep this important thing in your mind. So whenever you have a negative sign, that negative sign change all the signs here. That is negative a, negative 1, right? Both of them are positive. So negative sign makes them negative, right? Then a minus a is 0 and plus 6 minus 1 is 5. So the correct option is 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is just a 5, right? The next one is 7u square plus 6u square plus 9u plus 5. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 13u square plus 9u plus 5. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? Okay, the next one is 3b plus 3 plus 3b plus 9. Which is the correct option? The correct option is 10b plus 12. Option number 1 is the correct option. The correct option is u square plus 5u plus 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. The correct option is 3n plus 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Subtract j plus 3 minus 7j plus 1. So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 1. That is just a 2, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 8 math. The chapter we were working on is monomials and polynomials. The lessons we have covered today are identify monomials, model polynomials with algebra tiles, add and subtract polynomials using algebra tiles, and add and subtract polynomials. Right? So please make sure the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So if you have any questions related to the lesson just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.